Now the caravan has moved to Zimbabwe. We are now in Bulawayo, popularly known as the City of Kings and Queens. The team of volunteers which just recently arrived from Zambia will be working at Hillside Dams Conservation, and their primary objective at this area in Hillside is to work on programs which enhances ecosystem restoration, especially through harvesting techniques. Because the city is so dry, and the park, the area also needs a lot of water.
Welcome to Hillside Dams Conservancy. Hillside Dam Conservancy was established as a conservation area where we are conserving indigenous tree species of the Matebeleland region of Zimbabwe.
So we have partnered with the Zimbabwe Working Camps Association, where we have volunteers coming in regionally and volunteers coming in internationally to participate with us in eradication of invasive species, and to also partner with us in some of the projects that we do here at Hillside Dams.
They will also assist in raising environmental awareness along the park, and also the general maintenance of the park, which is very critical, so that it's a park which is in the city, so there is this sometimes human conflict. So there will be also the volunteers will be working with the local community, so that they can also raise awareness of having these parks inside the cities, because they help to maintain our biosphere, which is helps to support our life systems in the city of Bulawayo. The volunteers will also work on removing invasive plants such as the Lantana camara, the other exotic trees which were brought during the time of colonization, because this program is also working on the decolonizing the whole IVS movement. So we also have an element of nature colonization, because they destroy the local vegetation and they don't promote interdependence of the other crops. They don't promote undercrops.
Part of our programs and projects here at Hillside Dams is that we are a designated wetland. One of the key components that we do here is the eradication of invasive species in order to protect and to manage the local species of plants and trees. Part of our initiatives is to educate and raise awareness of the importance of environmental issues, and to make sure that our community are able to protect the areas that surround them, and they are also able to derive value from the green spaces around us. We also rely on the community to participate and volunteer of their time, services, expertise, and skills in managing the space.
They don't like us to clap our hands for ourselves, for being together. Working together is a good thing, so we must stay together as one. Thank you.
At this year's working camp, we had 22 participants across the world who visited us here at Hillside Dams, and after the working camp we took time to relax, to chill, to socialize, and participate in some of the recreational activities that are here.
The program is also a very good opportunity for the young people also to be aware about themselves, and also take full responsibility of the program. Program is the creatified boundaries, because Africa was divided on paper in Berlin by the Europeans, no African was there, and now we still continue to keep those borders. So it was also an opportunity for them to try and test those borders and see how those borders are still promoting the colonial legacies. Because every border they will ask a Bible of papers, but those are African borders. Just try to cross from Kenya to Tanzania, or Tanzania to Zambia, or Zambia to South Africa, but the papers is enormous.
On behalf of Hillside Dams, I would like to take this opportunity to give thanks to Zimbabwe Working Camps Association for the partnership that we have, to give thanks to the volunteers that have taken time out of their busy schedules, as young people, to come out and have people passionate for the environment. It's applauded. So we want to take the opportunity to thank them for their time, and that as they proceed, what they've learned here, they will take back to their countries of origin, share the knowledge, and that we may begin to work again.
To our volunteers, siyabonga tateta.